Hey car lovers, today we are demonstrating on how to check oil in your car. First, pull the lever that helps lift up the bonnet, slide your finger inside, push that sort of lever. That will help you open the bonnet. Then you use the hood strut that helps hold up the bonnet. So that whatever orange thing is being pulled out is called a dipstick. A dipstick is a stick that helps you check your oil. So first you wipe it off. If the car was in a movement motion, that will not clearly show you the level of the oil. So first you wipe it off, put it back for clear results. So once you remove it out for the second time, do not wipe it, check the level. If it's above the line on my left, that means there's too much oil, and if it's below, that means there is less oil. So ensure that it's at the middle of those two sticks, small indication marks. Also check if your oil is clean, like clean. If it's not, do regular oil checkups.